Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hi everyone, it's time for some practical Hakka right here on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. This month, let's go ahead and talk more about food and drinks, about things that you put in your mouth. 今天呢，我们还是继续要讲一些吃的啦、喝的啦，好不好？
好。
尤其喝的好了，我来请客。我很喜欢请喝的，其实快就可以解决了。Okay, so we're going to teach you terms about drinks, and especially I want to treat Alice this time. 我这次要请客，所以我可能会问说，你要喝什么饮料啊？我请客。What do you want to drink? It's my treat.
我要啉麥嘅。
我要啉麥嘅。
我來請。
我來請了哈，我來請。OK，那如果是你來請呢？
你來請。
你來請。
反正都是你請。
All right, and so maybe Alice wants to drink some tea. You know, 大家還是很喜歡喝茶啦，對不對？比如說紅茶，我要喝冰紅茶。
我愛冰嘅紅茶。
我愛冰嘅紅茶。冰嘅就是冰的。Okay, that's cold iced tea. 那或許天氣冷一點的時候，我要喝熱茶，或生病的時候不能再喝冰的，對不對？Maybe you want to say I want some hot tea.
小嘅。
小嘅。Okay, so 小嘅 is hot. 冰嘅是冰的 ，it's cold.
那海陸腔熱的又有點不一樣。
是嗎？
少改。
什麼叫有一點不一樣？差好多，差很大。少改 Okay, that's a different dialect. It sounds different. 少改 that means hot.
對。
Maybe you want some juice. 或許要健康一點，要喝果汁啊。
果汁。
果汁。然後呢，我最喜歡的每天必來2杯，一定要的就是咖啡。
咖啡我教過咯。
咖啡。
Yeah!
There, 咖啡. That's how you say coffee in Hakka. And finally, maybe you just want some soda. 要汽水。涼水聽起來像涼水是不是？
因為你看汽水一定是要冰冰才好喝。
熱的好難喝啊，喝不下去，惡心啊。
所以叫涼水。
Okay, it actually literally means cool water or cold water. That is soda in Hakka. 然後現在很流行啊，去這個茶店啊，他們都會說啊，你要半糖啊、少糖啊、微糖還是不加糖？像我減肥。不加糖了不能再喝糖的東西。
好，那不加糖就是加糖。
是加糖。Okay, that means I don't want any sugar in it. Or maybe you really want it sweet. 有些人像你身材這麼曼妙，沒關係，可以再加糖。
加糖哈，加糖。
就加糖。Okay, that means add more sweetness, add more sugar. All right, that does it for today's practical Hakka.
什麼大家？
暗子 say 張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.